Hello everyone, I'm Yemima Simangonsong from Faculty of Letter, Universitas Metodis Indonesia. In this video, I will explain about lexical disorder. And before I explain, don't forget like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Word and morphemes in aphasia. According to the standard clinical classification of aphasic syndrome, we can distinguish two characteristic types of error and word usage in aphasia. The first is called 1. Agrammatism and the second parapaesias. Agrammatism. According to the standard clinical classification, agrammatism is defined as the omission of function word in speech production, whereas in comprehension, agrammatic patient perform in the normal range. It is true that English-speaking agrammatics omit many function words, but from studies on agrammatism in other languages, we quickly learn that this observation cannot be generalized. For example, Italian. If Italian speaking grammatics were using the strategy of dropping functional elements, specifically bar morphemes, they would produce bar stem. Parapaesis. Parapaesis is a speech disorder with neurological origin. Also, the hearing and comprehension of speech may not be in behind. The production of speech is not correct. The individual may be able to speak fluently, but with error. The error ranges from the mispronunciation of single word to the combination of words in inappropriate or meaningless ways. There are types of parapaesis. 1. Literal or phonemic parapaesis. Incorrect phonemes are substituted. For example, one may say sport instead of pond. Literal parapaesis could also be switching syllable or creating reverse compound words such as mark book instead of bookmark. Dissociation in SLI subject inflectional system. There is a consensus that SLI children have problems in the area of inflectional morphology. And at first sight, the picture we get from examining the language of such children is very similar to that of agrammatism in Broca's aphasia. Specifically, SLI subject often omit grammatical function word and bar morphemes encoding case, gender, number, person, etc., or they use them incorrectly. The development of inflectional morphology comes to a standstill at an early stage, and that beyond that point the acquisition process cannot advance without difficulty. 1. You got a tape recorder. 2. The four bus going buzzer file. 3. When the cup break he can repair. 4. The Mary Louise look at the bird. 5. The Superman is say good. That's all my explanation regarding the of-the-word meaning lexical disorder. Before I go, thank you for my lecture, Dr. Esran Ambarita, SSM Home. And once again, don't forget subscribe, like, and ring the bell. May be useful. Thank you.